The death of Prophet Adam, may peace be upon him. One day, Adam, who was gravely ill, said to his children, "O my children, indeed I feel an appetite for the fruits of paradise." Intent on fulfilling their father's request, the children set out to gather the fruits of paradise. On their way, they met with some angels who carried with them Adam's shroud and other materials required for the preparation of a body for burial. The angels instructed the children of Adam to hasten home, as their father was about to meet his end soon. So the children returned home with the angels. Upon arrival, the angels took Adam's, peace be upon him, soul. They prepared him for the funeral, wrapped him in the shroud, dug his grave, and laid him in it. They told the children of Adam, "O children of Adam, this is your tradition at the time of death." Prior to Adam's, peace be upon him, death, he reassured his offspring that Allah would not abandon them and continue to watch over and guide them. He also informed them that Allah would continue to send down prophets as a guide for mankind. Following the death of Adam, his son Seth, peace be upon him, succeeded him. He too was made a prophet and was tasked with the duty of guiding people to the path of Allah. If you find this interesting, please kindly subscribe to support this page.